Hi, welcome back to another fantastic episode in my kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make Turkish style kebab house chili sauce. It's really great, made from fresh ingredients, and it's really healthy. So over 3 years of the channel, eating all that amazing food I've been cooking, so I'm still in shape, I've still got a good complexion, so do remember that you are what you eat, and all those videos that I'm seeing smothered in oil, cooked by people that are like cumbersome and not for me. So if you want healthy food, this is the place. So let's get cooking. As soon as it's nice and singed, about a minute, it's time to take it off the heat, and you can wash it under the tap, remove the cloves. So roast off your garlic. So let's talk about the ingredients. What we have here is 4 tablespoons of spirit vinegar, 4 tablespoons of olive oil. I've got a bulb of garlic, and you can see some light charring on some of them, and I'll show you how I do that in a moment. I've got 3 heaped teaspoons of chili flakes. I've got 200 gram of red medium spiced chilies, fresh. I've got the same of Turkish chilies. Same quantity. I've got a bunch of parsley, and I'm going to use the juice of 1 lemon. So all we need to do is take the bunch of parsley aside and the chili flakes. We're going to cut the lemon and get all the juice out of it, and we're going to blend everything, but not the seeds and the skin of the lemon, obviously. So what I like to do is blend the garlic, the olive oil and the spirit vinegar first, just to make sure that's really well dispersed and it's not lumpy. So roasting the garlic first. I wouldn't add raw garlic to a dish like this, and it gives a nice smoky taste. So in with the red chilies first, and we'll come back once that's blended. So I added a little water to help the blend. And next I've cut my Turkish chilies up. So why I'm adding it in levels, it helps the blend, and I just want different amounts of rusticity or different sizes per ingredient with the various components. So I'm going to give that a good whirl now. Lemon, skinned, de-seeded, chopped in half. So that's freshly blended, and you do have some particles in there. So why I leave the parsley separate, because I don't want my sauce going green, and I'm going to be chopping that up really finely with a knife. We'll come back once that happens. So I always find bunching it up tight in your hand really helps. So we want it really fine. Once it's all done, I always find to put it into a mound really, and just work your way up and just keep on doing it and get it as fine. You don't want to see any really particles in it. So some people chop their parsley after they've washed it, even in the Middle East. I'm not really sure why. Can anybody tell me? But I thoroughly wash this bunch of parsley before chopping it. So we're getting there slowly. A couple of minutes more. So let's pour the blended ingredients into a bowl. Next, we can add parsley. Really importantly, the chili flakes. Make sure you don't blend the chili flakes. There's nothing better in chili sauce than having whole chili seeds. That looks great, doesn't it? So let's give that a stir and come back, and it's finished, and we'll do a taste test. So there we have it. I'm really quite pleased with that, considering most kebab shops buy their own pre-made sauce in bottles or whatever. So this is really great. The taste test. Excuse fingers. Wow, that's really great. It's hot, but you can still taste like separate components. A bit of salt that we're going to stir in just for added taste. You can keep that in an airtight jar in the fridge for a couple of weeks. It will dry up slightly as it matures, but that will be great with falafel, salads, pita, kebabs, lamb, you name it. So thank you very much for watching. Feel free to like, share and subscribe.